Let's talk about why some schools are literally falling apart. We're going to northern Ghana to find out.
And when you look up, the picture is grim. We're talking ripped ceilings, insects, or just nothing there.
And it's not just the ceilings. Look down. The floors are crumbling. The walls, they're cracked and damp.
One housemaster says this has gone on for 10 years, a whole decade of neglect. So what's really happening?
To get to the bottom of this, we need to know about facilities management. It's the system that's supposed to stop this. So why are these schools in such bad shape? Well, it's a bit more complicated than you might think. A recent study ranked the top reasons for the decay. And surprise, money is only part of the story.
So yeah, money is the #1 issue, but the funds are there. They just get stuck in bureaucratic red tape. Then you've got the human side. Users feel no ownership, and the managers are often educators, not building experts.
Okay, so if the official money is stuck, where does any repair money actually come from?
The schools have to get scrappy. It's a mix of government cash, community help, and even small local tolls.
And get this, the most reliable money comes from local sources, not the government. That says a lot.
This headmaster says it all. They've been waiting over 6 years for maintenance funds. 6 years.
So how do we fix this? A new model suggests a better way forward. It's not one solution, but 3.
The idea is simple. Use each type of funding for what it's best at. This creates a much stronger system.
But money is only half of it. The model needs to be paired with these 4 key changes on the ground.
And this isn't just a local fix. It's a blueprint that could help schools in similar situations all over the world.
So it leaves you with a pretty powerful question. What promise are we breaking with every single crumbling wall?